China inabeli tawa toboro.
Bono tote bigore ngaro tote ngana rigwa tolete.
China inagenda.
Yes.
Governor yaito yarengitie trip oji China.
Yes.
Yarenge private trip. Abande babugetenga n'ikibese cye serikali anda kechi aliyegwa osabantu gotara. Ekero ole leader gotara teribobe because ngo expose yera abantu. Michael na atari about 15 countries.
Yes.
Asoboge mabwana. Mostly chi Africa agaiga. Egotara gokuwa natari aso era yoka. Yangigo irebinte binge bakebinde byokora ngo sacrifice for other people.
Yes.
Governor iteka it is important. Aira bayamusiye anga 60-70% of the assembly. Abaire China, which is the most progressive economies we have today in the world. Kerato irororo abange mbala net 1 or 2 or 3 things. Governor nero ya bugate engagements chia cyogo sign mikataba mona abantu bagokora egware abantu bagokora solar abagocha gotobekera gabatorose solar to generate our own local power or system ekonigwa alternative to estimate to chandeka Korea connection. Igonga those are a few of the things a governor ya ireta ba MCA China. One, babe exposed. Two, assign mikataba meke on behalf ya Gusii because it is his own personal engagement na the Chinese government na Chinese authorities courtesy yo murugio Mama May, the first lady we county. Igo bono bunanche kero ko mboli Michael inki kwanyo leto koreta masige.
Yes.
As an individual, timbuko litikende yangana baletere. Usebesa choko sera. I was not paid anything. Lakini what I can bring knowledge inaro chobuna bono chitown chiaba chile very clean. I'm going to engage na ekwende yane anyamache, a committee yane anyamache. However small our town is, I will make sure a town ya iterabe tosimeke metebuna na lesimekire China we beautify our towns monto tayo oraje gotokonya to be kinse itera kanengia. We must sacrifice komekia se itera kanabuya buna ba China bakoleta nekinse kile progressive buna chikoleta.